How to print an email directly from your Gmail. So first things first, head over to your Gmail account. And once you're into the Gmail account, select and choose the specific email that you want to print out. For example, I'm going to print out this Zapier email that I have and I want it in print. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a quick look onto this email that I have. And right here onto the top right hand corner where it says print all or open a new window, I'm going to click on print all, which is this cute little printer icon that they have. And once right here, there's going to be a pop-up menu that's already open. You're going to look into the preview and see if this is what you want to be printing out. And what you have to do is simply select the destination, select the pages, select the layout. You can have it in landscape and portrait both. Select the color, black and white, or do you want it in like the actual print that way? So these are 3 sheets of paper in total. And let me just select the printer that I have, and simply all I have to do is click on print. And this way I have directly printed my email from Gmail.